Huntington Voice Low Rate Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? You won't believe how low your interest can be while still earning rewards. Most people get low-rate cards wrong by thinking they lack perks, but the Huntington Voice low-rate card combines both affordability and rewards. The card offers 1.5% cashback on all purchases, with a 1.5% bonus for on-time payments. APRA is lower than standard credit cards, making it ideal for carrying a balance occasionally without accruing excessive interest. Additional benefits include purchase protection, fraud monitoring, and Visa Zero liability coverage. Digital tools let you manage spending, track rewards, and set up automatic payments for convenience. The downside? Rewards are modest compared to premium cashback or category-specific cards. For those who pay in full every month, a low APRA is less crucial. Verdict: worth it for anyone looking to combine low interest with steady rewards. Leave it if you want high-rate cashback in specific categories or premium travel perks.